What's up everybody, it is Colin here. In this video I have another example of a profitable push campaign, this time on a small scale but still super interesting as I just want to share the data with you. I paused this campaign as soon as I was profitable just to show you guys what is possible, which steps you need to take to get to this kind of profitability. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm gonna run it again because so far it's going quite well. So this is a US campaign for Walmart. I'm direct linking. I'm using a whitelist, which I got from Zeropark. I'm using rule-based optimization on Wi-Fi traffic only, Android phone, which in my sense means operation system 6 plus, and I'm using one specific source, terracotta bovine. I'm running on US push, $100 a day. So far it's spent 27, which was yesterday and today, but I'm just looking at today's data. I'm actually looking at yesterday's data. It spent, let me see, it spent 11. So that's, I would say that's yesterday and today. Yesterday, 11, yesterday and today it spent 11.87 and the payout 18, 120 clicks, 6 conversions, which means $3 per payout, right? So this is what I did, yeah? I made very detailed targeting, so I split test everything, yeah? And this was the one that stood out, that's why I wanted to make this video. Walmart, a direct link, so it goes to a 3-question opt-in form hosted by the advertiser. I'm working with the direct advertiser on this one, just so they can share the scrubbing details with me. They're very transparent and we have a very good relationship. We also run Facebook sweepstakes in the US with them. Source, rule-based optimization to make the process a lot easier. The split test here is Wi-Fi traffic and the Android phone, and the specification on the whitelist is this specific source. So you can see only this source. We did 218,000 bits, 780 impressions, 36% win. So I think the bid is good right now. We're using auto bid of 10 cents. And the average cost is 9.9 cents. We spent 11, got 6 conversions, 18. So the acquisition is the rule-based optimization I did is if the target, so in the source we have targets, and this one has more than $5 spent, and the acquisition price is higher than $3 because the $3 is the payout, then pause. So you can see the average acquisition price is 1.98, which means this campaign is profitable by $1 on a conversion, which means $6 profitable, and it is 11.87, which is basically 12, and then $18. As I said, I just want to show you guys how I'm working with this, so you guys can learn from it. After this video, I'm going to turn it on again, make some more money. Okay, so as you can see, with the rule-based optimization, this campaign spent 2.1. This is today's data. So probably yesterday it spent 1, so it went over, or it spent 3, so it went over the $5, and it has 0 conversions, so the system paused it. All the other ones, they're still active, right? Because they don't have that much spent. They either have 170 for the big one, 0.7, 0.6, 0.4, but this one is highly interesting because it has 0.4, 4 clicks, 2 conversions, $6 payout, 0.20, which in that sense mean this is right now 0.20, 1,500% ROI, right? Because it goes times 15, I think. No, it goes times 30, right? Yeah, 30 times 20 is 60. Yeah, okay, fuck it. 30 times 20 cents, $6. So it's like hella profitable. Obviously, running only this target will reduce the scalability by a lot. But I'm using this rule-based optimization to filter out all the shit placements, right? And only get the high quality stuff. So this one is 20 spent, $3 made. And you can see lots of these sources, they have almost 0 spent because we got no clicks. So this like 10 cents per click, 10 cents per click, 10 cents per click, no conversions. But look at this. This is like a huge list. So what happens is, as soon as these two are taken out, or maybe this one as well and this one with lots of bits, then the bits will be placed on the other ones, right? Because we have budget to spend, and that's how we're going to optimize over the long run. Step by step, we want to move through all these and basically end up, that's how I make my campaigns profitable. I don't run a lot of push nowadays, but I do some of these examples for YouTube. They don't always end up profitable. I do test a lot, and I like to test different features, do some crazy shit. Yesterday I spent $1,000 and I sent $300 to the wrong link. But it happens, it's all jokes. But this is basically how you make it profitable. I just use this rule-based optimization and I check it. I check it like 6 times a day that it's doing the right thing. And I have like 10 of these campaigns, right? So I just go through it. And right now it's $6 profitable, $7, and it might not be later. You never know. It might go down because you're testing more, but I already know it's never going to test too much because of this rule-based optimization. So it's never going to overspend because it's going to pause the specific targets if it becomes too expensive. And that's what you want. You want basically the system to be able to auto-optimize while you keep control of things. So what would happen in the ideal scenario, out of these maybe 150 targets within this one source, can you imagine if you're running like 50 sources, like run a network, then it's a fucking absolute mess. You need like 100K to test. But using these 150 targets within one source, I'd use $100 in spend for 3 days, $300, and I end up with like the 5 to 10 winning targets. Then I keep it on $100 a day, and it probably cannot even spend that $100 because there's not enough traffic. I would have to increase my bid or have to take profit. If then I run on $100 a day, it spends $50 with 100% ROI. I take $50 a day. This is a fucking easy process. So I might invest minus $100 or minus $150 in the first 3 days, but then I take $50 every day. And with Push, they have a continuous new database. So I can scale it, I can use these targets to just run not on source with a whitelist, but run on the specific target with new offers. If I know the traffic is good, like similar offers, I can switch to different advertisers, and that's how you build that 50 to 500 into 5,000. These small details is what we're going to teach in November 2019 in our new product, the Push course, using sweepstakes. You can still get all the free information on YouTube. It's not about trying to push a course, but like the whitelist, rule-based optimization, in detail, running on scale, that's always included. So if you're interested in that, check out the description. There's a link and you can have a look. But this is one of the easiest things to set up, the rule-based optimization, and it's going to make your life so much easier. I'm going to turn this campaign back on right now, as you guys can see. Because I want more traffic, I want to make more money. If you guys have any questions about this, feel free to drop your questions in the comments down below, and I will have a look as soon as possible and answer them for you. Give this video a like if you enjoyed the content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.